y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl. Like I am Tamika, just country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So y'all, I am at what's that? Yeah, Tractor Supply. I ain't been in Tractor Supply in so long. See, like I have not had to buy feed for the quails since I got rid of the chickens. If y'all remember when I got rid of the chickens, now I gotta buy feed for the quail. I already got scratch grain, cracked corn, or whatever, whole bag that ain't been used. So now I need to go here for feed, but since I ain't been in here, I see some clearance stuff. So let me show y'all. Y'all just got Tractor Supply. If y'all gardeners, homesteaders, and all that type of stuff, then y'all know Tractor Supply is our friend, especially in the springtime when them plants come and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and see what we got. We got Miss Kylie filming, cause that's her job, y'all. I hired my kids, so I pay them every pay period for the work that they do now. They new on the job.
Well,
Oh, they got some clearance stuff. This called Gospel Barbecue World Meat Church Barbecue. Is it in the camera? Gee, look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness.
they're making everything.
You see that right here? Gospel Barbecue World Meat Church Barbecue. Lord have mercy.
That is cute.
I believe they be kind of getting embarrassed when I be talking all loud. What's that? Sweet as can be. Oh, it's sweet, but sweet. Another reference. That's a sheep crossing. Okay, this a manager special. 50% off on yellow tag. So additional 50% off additional on yellow tags. Okay. So they taking 50% off on what's already yellow tagged, y'all. See? Gotta get up in these stores. Oh, this right here. $12.99. Just say $13. So what? $6.50. They don't need none of that. Trying to see this Miracle Grow fruit and citrus. I don't see no yellow tag on it because I can use this for my citrus. It ain't yellow tagged. Oh, get what? I'm finna go right on because it's a additional 50% off, and I'm about to go right in here and see what the price is. Down, don't get her on camera. These is out there on that stand, and it say
They're 50% off the
yellow
tag.
I didn't see a yellow tag on these. Oh, never mind, honey. I see it now. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Okay, so they $10, but it's 50% off here. So these are $5. So come on, cause I'm finna go get another one. I didn't see it, y'all. It's on the corner. She laughed. She like, it's 50% off the yellow tag. $10. I'm gonna leave one for somebody, cause I gotta buy feed. Look at that. Feed each season. That's a steal. 3 pounds. I'm trying to see if it tell me how many is in here, but they are, they heavy, and it's my Miracle Grow. So come on. Oh, nope. Let her buy. Go ahead. They got some more stuff. That's got a price on it?
Yeah, no.
No.
Oh, it's inside.
They got the huh?
It's inside.
Okay. They got them garden gloves, $6.99. Well, it's outfit. Well, these ain't yellow tags, so let me see though. Oh, this $20. One of these is $20, so it'll be $10. I don't need that though. They go down here and see what these trees looking like. See what kind of trees they got.
Mother.
ain't heavy. Woo. They got a peach tree. $38.99. Ooh, these trees look dead. Apple tree. They done been through some. They
Mama.
they ain't more down neither. Fig tree. Look dead. What?
I can hold one.
Oh, I got it. Thank you, honey.
Welcome.
They heavy. I'm 144 pounds. If they heavy for me on one hand, honey, I know they're gonna be heavy for one of your hands. Just focus on swimming. La da dee, la da da.
What about those?
La da dee, la da da. What?
Ow!
Oh wait, I ain't see this. They $5 too. Rose and flower fertilizer. I ain't see that at first, but come on. Did he get a buggy?
Yeah, I don't know.
Y'all got a buggy?
Buggy, buggy, buggy. Go better. Ain't gotta hold it no more.
Yes, sir. Y'all, they got more clearance right here. Come closer. $4.99, but this don't say 50% off. I don't even know what that is. I just know they got a lot of clearance stuff going on. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I came here with no mask on and ain't nobody told me.
Stuff was Friday. We doing that.
So y'all, I get the 30% Gay Bird Free Protein Starter Combo, 30%, and it is $25.49 for a 40-pound bag. So this is what I feed them. Even as adults, this is what I feed them, and they lay pretty good. Y'all know when I had my chickens, I never put them on no layer feed or none of that. Even my chickens was on crumble, and they was over a year old and laid so well. I need to focus on me.
Alright. My bad. Sorry.
Alright y'all, so this is why, okay, this is $20 though for a 4-pack or 4-pack. This, but look at this is $20 and I got this set for $9 on clearance over at Walmart. So this is why I shop the way I do, because come spring this stuff is gonna be even more expensive. And you know, we gotta save somewhere.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
Alright, y'all, so just left out of Tractor Supply. Alright, and I ended up getting the quail feed. Like I said, I already got grain to go with it. That'll last them a long time, probably about 2-3 months with the ones I got right now. Quail feed, and I got those 2 citrus fertilizer for my citrus trees. Okay, so I'm happy about that right there. They was $5. So yeah, getting these deals, y'all. Things that's marked down, we gonna need it if you are growing throughout the winter. If you growing spring, summer, ain't no need of paying for. If you can get it now marked down to these cheap prices from what they really are, yeah, because it was marked, them things was marked down to $9.99, then additional $50. So that means the regular price is over $10 for those, because they was marked down to $9.99, and then they wanted you to take additional 50% off from them. So they was already marked down to $9.99. See? So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it's yours will, y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Bye.